upon a time, there was a dime. This dime traveled many centuries, observing many beautiful trees, observing people enjoying the sea, along with the benefits that the ocean provides for you and me. Back when us islanders were not afraid of climate change and sea level rise, or the damaging of plastics to our environment that make animals cry. See, this dime did not only travel through pockets or wallets or on the sidewalks from the road. It traveled within different abdomens when it was thrown. The source of these effects start with the choices that people make. The dime thought. Therefore, the apathy people have towards saving our earth increases more than the act of prevention people should take. The dime sighed in distraught. The moral of the story is, the earth is our home. It should not be thrown. Let us not waste this beautiful place God gave us. We should make a new start from the bottom of our heart. The earth needs to be clean. That is my dream. We are polluting air, and it is not fair. Restore our earth means to take care. It needs love like our God above. The earth needs to be free. Don't you agree? This is how it should be.
Ang sumber mo yung sumber tayo sa may lalay ko.
Ouais. Mas tinggal kesulitan moyo. Kasiat sali. Nama law. Betul-betul.
Ay, may wala lang si. Deep mo ba ko lang sa mga diba? One piece na tayo sa mga ito.
Betul.
Jam for plastic. Baru minyak lang ay pupukadan ng
The end.